Welcome back to Nick's Shooting Channel again. We're still shooting the Ruger LC9S. It's a single stack 7+1 9mm made by Ruger. They do make a pro version of this. As I mentioned, the pro version does not have a safety. The version I purchased does have a safety. And it's the second day out at the range with this firearm. Day one, we're shooting a little bit more accurate. We're also shooting a little bit closer. Right now we're probably somewhere between 10 and 12 yards, and we're shooting a little bit low and a little bit to the left, so we're just going to see if we can focus that front sight right in the center here and see if we can bring that shot back up a little bit and over to the right and go from there. Chamber's empty, slides open. Let's see what we did. Definitely looking better than the last round. Our shots went 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it's a little bit better than last time. We'll just see if we can keep this going and see what we can do. We'll go 5 more, see if we can get the red here. You know, like I said, I like the way this firearm feels in my hand. The trigger's nice and smooth, and it's nice and concealable. So, anyway, let's go 5 more rounds. Okay. So if I haven't mentioned it on this video, definitely like to subscribe to the channel. Thumbs up, comments are always welcome. Feel free to check out the other videos. You know, I've said it before in almost all my videos, I'm by no means a firearms expert. I'm actually starting to get into shooting firearms, but I really enjoy it. So, you know, the things you hear from me are maybe more from the average person's perspective. I'm not going to be some expert who's driving nails at 100 yards with a rifle, but you know, I like to think I represent the average person who just wants to get into shooting. So let's see here, we'll go 5 more rounds. Well, got a couple of bullseyes here. So, chamber's clear, magazine's out, no rounds left. That's the Ruger LC9S. I, you know, use my Great Lakes ammunition and up at the range, and love this firearm. Still got to work on my consistency, but so far, no failures to feed, no failures to eject. 50 rounds today. I probably went 100 rounds, 150 rounds last time I was here. Gun's great. Couldn't ask for anything more. Now we just got to work on the shooter. Anyway, again, any likes, any comments you can leave, and subscribing to the channel is really appreciated. Thanks a lot and have a good day.